Every supercar starts with lightweight, precision-engineered materials. Molds ensure the carbon fiber forms. Layers are stacked with exact precision to maximize strength and lightness. Hydraulic presses shape the carbon fiber under perfect pressure. Metal panels are inspected for perfection before assembly. Each chassis base is prepared for the engine and body assembly. Precise alignment is critical for performance and aesthetics. Every chassis must pass rigorous quality checks before moving forward. Cylinders are bored with micron-level accuracy for perfect compression. Valves and camshafts are fitted to ensure flawless airflow and timing. High-performance turbochargers are installed for power and speed. Laser precision ensures every engine and gearbox fits perfectly. High-performance turbochargers are installed for power and speed. Robotic welding ensures perfect strength and consistency. Critical joints are welded by skilled engineers for maximum safety. Every panel must sit perfect to maintain aerodynamics. Laser scanning confirms flawless body symmetry. The body is smoothed to perfection before painting. Human craftsmanship perfects what machines begin. A clear coat seals the paint with a mirror-like finish. The Supercar's iconic exterior is now complete. Hand stitching adds strength and another strength. Seat structures are built for comfort and performance. Leather is carefully wrapped to achieve a flawless finish. Technology and luxury meet at the dashboard. Carbon fiber accents enhance performance-focused luxury. The steering wheel connects the driver to the machine. Jesus golf to bellum. Electronics power performance, comfort, and control. Every panel is aligned for seamless luxury. Every interior detail undergoes rigorous inspection. Lighting creates the perfect luxury atmosphere. The interior is now complete, a blend of comfort, technology, and craftsmanship. Spiegeless branches. Yellow represents speed, energy, and brand heritage. Matte black defines modern luxury and aggressive design. Pearl white delivers elegance and premium sophistication. Listen to blue blues. Electric blue is one of today's fastest growing customer favorites. These are the colors customers love, and the internet can't stop watching. These are the colors customers love, and the internet can't stop watching. Braking systems are tested for extreme conditions. Suspension is calibrated for balance, comfort, and speed. Every surface is inspected under perfect lighting. This is the first heartbeat of the supercar. This is the first heartbeat of the supercar. Initial movement confirms mechanical perfection. Control is just as important as speed. The badge represents engineering excellence. From factory floor to showroom spotlight. This is more than a car. It's a Williams. Only perfection earns final approval. Supercar is now ready for its owner. This is the moment every owner dreams of. A machine built with emotion. Engineering, craftsmanship, luxury. This is how